Why automate expense tracking with YNAB and Google Calendar?
Automating expense tracking combines YNAB's budgeting power with Google Calendar's scheduling. Syncing then lets you visualize upcoming bills, budget deadlines, and expected transactions directly in your daily schedule. This integration helps you plan spending, avoid missed payments, and gain better financial control, all without manually cross-checking between apps. Let's explore how you can set up this powerful automation.
Preparing YNAB for integration.
Start by setting up your YNAB budget as you normally would. Ensure your categories, scheduled transactions, and bill due dates are accurate. Pay special attention to recurring expenses or deadlines you want reflected in your calendar. With clear, organized data in YNAB, the syncing process will be smoother and more reliable when connected to Google Calendar.
Connecting YNAB to Google Calendar.
Direct integration is not natively supported. However, you can use third-party automation tools like Zapier or IFTTT. These services act as a bridge. Authorize access to both your YNAB account and Google Calendar. You'll be able to create workflows that automatically add YNAB events, like scheduled transactions or budget goals, as calendar events.
Customizing what syncs to your calendar.
Decide what financial data matters most in your schedule. You might choose to sync only bill deadlines, paydays, or specific transaction types. Most automation tools let you filter by account, category, or frequency. This ensures your Google Calendar remains clear and useful, highlighting only critical expense events and not cluttering your view.
Maintaining your automated workflow.
Once connected, review your workflow regularly. Make sure your YNAB budget categories stay updated, and check that calendar events are syncing correctly. Update permissions if you change your YNAB or Google accounts. This ongoing maintenance keeps your budgeting and scheduling aligned, so you always stay ahead with your finances.